Why do you make me look like this to be the ugly one? Michael, stop the bludgeoning plan. Shut up. So those who are evil keep on doing a bludgeoning plan. Don't do that. Don't hurt people. Defend your family, but defendry. You see how the alien set it up, yes or no? I'm starting to see it. What do you want me to do? Well, I'm in command. That's why I'm in command. Do me ever to forgive